MCQ from the application of derivative, and the problem is if normal at the point lambda to the parabola meet again at mu, then 4 offsets are given. Here if we take the parabola, this is equal to y square equal to 4ax, then the point lambda, this means a lambda square comma 2a lambda, and the point mu, this is given by a mu square comma 2a mu. Okay, these are the meaning of the point lambda and the point mu. Now we have to find the equation of normal. We already write here the equation of normal of any curve at the point x dash y dash. So we first find the derivative 2y dy dx, this is equal to 4a. So dy dx, this is given by 2a by y. Okay, now we have to find the normal at the point lambda. So we get dy dx at the point lambda. This means we put here 2a by y, this means 2a lambda, this is 1 by lambda, right? So the equation is given by y minus y dash means this 2a lambda, this is given by minus lambda because minus 1 by lambda, this is lambda, and x minus x dash, this is a lambda square. Okay, this is the equation of normal, and it again passes through this point. So we put the value of a mu square comma 2a mu, and getting the result as 2a mu minus lambda, taking common 2a, and from here minus lambda into, this is taking common a mu square minus lambda square. Cancel out a from both sides, and 2 into mu minus lambda, this is equal to minus lambda into mu minus lambda into mu plus lambda. And since lambda and mu are two different points, so lambda not equal to mu, so we cancel out lambda minus mu from both sides, and getting the result as lambda plus mu, this is equal to minus 2 by lambda. So lambda plus mu plus 2 by lambda, this is equal to 0. So our correct option clearly option number B. This is our correct answer for this problem. Okay, very easy problem of differential calculus. Thank you for watching.